Hello again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here for our weekly update. Hope you and your family are doing well. Ours certainly is. Everything's going well. But did want to give you a quick summary. As those of you who've been following us for a while, we have been doing our core values here at Solis Wealth Management. Core values are something that we all kind of live and die by. It's an important document for us, and you can click down here at the bottom if you want to follow along on those core values. But quick summary on those. Number one, trust and integrity. We feel that this is probably one of the most important things that we could provide to our clients. We want to make sure that our yes is yes and our no is no and our word is as good as gold. Number two, having a good positive attitude. We believe that comes from a grateful heart. We believe that we've been blessed abundantly and we just want to have a great attitude. And it's not necessarily the circumstances that come at us, but it's the response that we have to the circumstances. Life isn't always great, but it's good to keep a good positive attitude and know that things are going to work towards good. Number three is what we call the golden rule, considering others as important as yourself. Gosh, this world would look completely different if we actually all lived by this, wouldn't it? If we all treated others the way we'd like to be treated. Number four is stewardship. We know we've got a lot of responsibilities here and we want to steward it well. We don't want to just do a good job, we want to do a great job. We know we've been given, to he much is given, much is expected. And so we want to make sure that we take good care of what we are to steward. Number five is doing the right thing for the right reasons, no matter what the cost, no matter who's watching. This is a close cousin to trust and integrity. But people have asked me, hey Greg, what made Solis Wealth Management so successful? And I say, you know what it is? We did the right thing for the right reasons, no matter what the cost and no matter who was watching. And we did it over and over and over again. You do that, things will work out for you. It just does. Number six is build a great team. Hang out with people that share your core values, that see the vision, that are passionate about making a difference in the world. And when you get people working together like that, there's synergy and you're able to accomplish great things. Number seven is lifelong learning. Be willing to grow, be willing to get wisdom, be willing to take great advice. You want to continue to grow professionally and personally. So we take that very seriously here at Solis Wealth Management. And number eight, have fun. Life is short. It's a great journey. Let's do the best we can to enjoy our friends and family and focus on relationships and have some laughter. We just think these are all important. So that's the 8 principles and the 8 core values of Solis Wealth Management. We firmly believe if you live by those, you will make a difference in this world and you will live with meaningful purpose. And so there it is. Market-wise, markets have been pretty volatile. We talked about that. We did have the correction that we had been anticipating. We were off about 5.2% on the S&P 500 for the month of September, thereabouts. So September was tough. October, been pretty good. We pretty much recovered all of it and then some. So we're now getting back to our all-time highs and everything seems to be looking a lot better. There's still some challenges out there though. We know the supply chain is an issue. We still are dealing with the COVID things and there's some labor shortages and some inflation concerns and the Fed's talking about tapering. And so there's a lot of things that we got to work through, but we're still very optimistic that we will work through a lot of those. There's a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines right now. And so as the consumers with the pent-up demand is able to get back out there, as the supply chain kind of works through and the labor shortages work through, we believe as we get into 2022, things are going to look a lot better. So again, we anticipate some volatility, expect it, as you hear me say frequently, it's kind of the price of admission when you own equities. There's going to be some volatility. But hang on tight. We think that the fourth quarter should be pretty good. We had about a 2.0 growth rate in the third quarter. That was down a bit from where we were in the second quarter, but we're thinking there might be a little pickup here in the fourth quarter in the GDP. So that should be reflected in stock prices as well. So we still remain optimistic, but hang on tight. There'll be some volatility. Looking forward to seeing everybody at the Client Appreciation Party. Hope you and the family are well. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care and God bless.